NIPER is a leading pharmaceutical institute in India. It has a proclaimed objective of becoming a center of excellence for advanced studies and research in pharmaceutical sciences.
AAPS NIPER student chapter was created in the year 2007 and I have been associated with the chapter since its inception. Our members are primarily the postgraduate and doctoral level students of pharmaceutical sciences. As a chapter, our focus has been on forging meaningful ties with Indian and global pharmaceutical industries. A highlight of the last year was a collaborative conference with Bristol Myers Squibb on biopharmaceutical risk assessment. I am very happy to share that more industry partners are willing to come forward to organize similar events. I am sure the student chapter will keep rolling out exciting events for the students in years to come, and it is going to allow students to realize their true potential.
AAPS NIPER student chapter portrays the ideology of the students, by the students and for the students. We aim to promote AAPS 5 core value of inclusiveness, integrity, innovation, service and learning. As a student chapter, we organize various student development programs like scientific talk by renowned researchers from worldwide universities, career development session by expert professionals, alumni talk through strong network of alumni, journal club for improvement of recent scientific knowledge of students, and social and outreach activities like fundraising activities and school visit.
We also organize stress buster events such as chapter dinner, visit the garden to relieve the students from hectic research work. We cherish to celebrate most festivals like Holi, Navratri at NIPER, which brings students closer to the traditional and cultural values and builds bonding among them.
We organize an industrial visit to make the students aware of the current industrial setup, working etiquettes within the industry, and hands-on experience on current industrial operations and networking of the students with the industrial professionals.
During the recent time of COVID-19 pandemic, the student chapter has provided personal protective equipment to health profession and also distributed food packets to poor communities via fundraising activity. I would like to thank AAPS for supporting the student chapter and also congratulate the student chapter team for doing a wonderful job this year.
We are proud of what we have achieved during the last year and are looking forward with a positive outlook to the coming year with more innovative events.
The student chapter excels by providing our members with opportunities for
scientific knowledge,
Career development,
Industrial experience,
expansion of professional network,
leadership and management skills,
professional and personal growth.